Hi friend, this is Dr. Abdequaem Chimthanawala, Grace Healing Homeopathy. Let us understand today the Medica of NUX VOMICA. Of course, I know it's a very important and a polychrest remedy. Everybody knows about NUX VOMICA. But let me make you understand something which I've seen in my practice in most of the cases of NUX VOMICA. कैसा NUX VOMICA डेवलप होता है, इवॉल्व होता है, जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. The most important thing in NUX VOMICA जो आपको समझना है, that is ambition loss of from disappointments. एक NUX VOMICA पेशेंट बहुत एम्बिशियस रहता है और जब उसको उसमें डिसअपॉइंटमेंट मिलता है, चाहे डॉक्टर हो, चाहे वकील हो, चाहे बिजनेसमैन हो, चाहे कोई भी हो, once he get disappointment, because of that the NUX VOMICA symptomatology in the patients develop. It is said that NUX VOMICA basically is very ambitious, much ambitious for money also and for fame also. वो चाहता है कि बहुत फेमस हो जाए, वो चाहता है कि बहुत पैसे कमाएं. अब देखेंगे पैसे कमाने के लिए, जैसे एम्बिशियस फॉर मनी, वी हैव आर्सेनिक, वी हैव लाइकोपोडियम, वी हैव सल्फर. और यू कैन से एम्बिशियस फॉर फेम, वी हैव स्टेफिस एगेरिया, वी हैव लैकेसिस, वी हैव एल्यूमिना इनफैक्ट ऑल्सो. बट NUX VOMICA को दोनों रहता है और इसके डिसअपॉइंटमेंट की वजह से NUX VOMICA बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस में आता है और उसके बाद उसका पूरा सिम्टम शुरू होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फिर आप एक NUX VOMICA को पूछेंगे क्वेश्चंस तो बोलेंगे यार मुझे नहीं पूछ, डोंट आस्क मी. ही इज़ वेरी एंग्री व्हेन ही इज ऑब्लाइज्ड टू आंसर बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इरिटेबिलिटी, एंड दैट इंक्रीज सो मच दैट ही हैज़ एंगर फ्रॉम लीस्ट कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन. आपने उसको कुछ भी बोला, उसको गुस्सा आना शुरू हो जाएगा. एंगर फ्रॉम लीस्ट कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन. In fact, it goes one step further. A NUX VOMICA patient does not like to be consoled, angry when consoled. NUX VOMICA is there, arsenic is there, ferrum is there, silicia is there, but NUX VOMICA, angry when consoled. Because see, NUX VOMICA patient has lot of confidence in himself, and because of when the ambition is failed, because he cannot prove himself, because he cannot get lot of ambition and fame and money, the NUX VOMICA symptom starts. And then because of these failures, he always thinks there's a delusion that whatever he will do, वो कुछ भी करेंगे लाइफ में सब फेल हो जाएगा. So there is a delusion that everything will fail, exactly similar to argentum nitricum or aurum metallicum. Whenever you have some symptoms, you must have at least have comparative Materia Medica. So you know how this NUX VOMICA develops, and because of this, there's a lot of discouragement. The patient gets discouraged from loss of ambition. So we see the two sides of NUX VOMICA, where the NUX VOMICA is very ambitious, wants to do everything, wants to achieve in life, XYZ. And if it does not get that, how does a NUX VOMICA develop, or what does the symptom NUX VOMICA develops? And then you know what happens, that NUX VOMICA has a problem of expressing oneself. वो इतना नॉलेजेबल रहता है, बहुत अच्छे हम डॉक्टर्स देखते हैं कि बहुत अच्छे डॉक्टर्स हैं, बहुत अच्छी प्रैक्टिस है, बट दे कैन नॉट गिव गुड लेक्चर्स. आपने देखा होगा, दे आर नॉट गुड एकेडमिशियंस बिकॉज दे कैन नॉट एक्सप्रेस व्हाट दे वांट टू एक्सप्रेस, एंड दैट्स व्हाई ऑल्सो दे पीपल डोंट बेसिकली रिस्पेक्ट देम. पीपल फील ओके इसका तो ठीक है, जमता नहीं इसको. सो एक्सप्रेसिंग वन सेल्फ इज ऑल्सो डिफिकल्ट इन NUX VOMICA, and you will be seeing a lot of doctors, you know, who have good and roaring practice but are not good academicians, and vice versa also. NUX VOMICA has this. Remember my friends, NUX VOMICA is expression is sometimes written in mathematics. Expressing oneself is almost impossible, again like lycopodium, again like pulsatilla and sepia. This symptom is very, very important. It is not that NUX VOMICA is always getting everything by hook and crook, but once you have that, expressing oneself is difficult. That's why he feels very much inside, that anger is there, that is there, what should I do? And that's why he goes into a stage of grief. Especially when he wakes up in the morning, there is a lot of grief. He feels, now what I will explain, what I will give a lecture, nobody understands what I want to. Though he feels I'm such a good practitioner, such a good person, but the persons who are not good are going in front of me. And whenever he gets up in the morning, there's a lot of grief. And gradually as the day passes, जब दिन धीरे धीरे उतरता है, till evening, this grief is better. That is a very, very important symptom of NUX VOMICA. And one symptom more, you must have seen a lot of cases, people say that NUX VOMICA has a lot of abdominal symptom, constipation, elements of overeating, bloating, everything is there in NUX VOMICA. वन सिम्टम दोस्तों आपको याद रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है, नक्स वोमिका सफर्स फ्रॉम सैडनेस विथ कॉन्स्टिपेशन. देयर इज लॉट ऑफ सैडनेस विथ कॉन्स्टिपेशन इन नक्स वोमिका. And one symptom that I just recall in my mind, there is a lot of prostration of mind with headache. पेशेंट थक जाता है मेहनत कर करके, काम कर करके, लोगों को समझा करके, बट कुछ नहीं हो पाता, मेंटली थक जाता है, एंड देयर इज प्रोस्ट्रेशन ऑफ माइंड विथ हेडेक. So this is one part of NUX VOMICA which I wanted to tell you. A very different NUX VOMICA, I think, what you have seen in your practice. In the next video, I will tell you the second part of NUX VOMICA also, because I cannot club both because they are different. So, my dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.